Hello everyone, hope everyone's having a great day. I'd like to show you how to use a flexible, reusable concrete shaping form to make your stepping stones for walkways and patios. Here I am setting up the form to the size and shape that I'm looking for. That's looking good. I'm using these anchor pins here now to hold that shape. Moving that dirt around. Alright, that looks good. Now I'm ready to put my concrete in it. Now I'm going to be putting in a dry mix. Here I am adding a 50-pound bag of dry mix. Yeah, that's looking good. This form will hold two. Alright, I'm leveling out the top. Now I'm adding the amount of water that's required for 50 pounds worth of concrete. Here's the kind of consistency that you're looking for. It's like a thick peanut butter. You can still see there's water on the top there. It's pretty moist. And you can mix it right in the form. Here I am now leveling out the surface, making it nice and smooth. Start tapping the surface. That helps bring the water to the surface, and that makes it nice and smooth. If you don't do this, you're going to have a rough stone. So the more you work the surface, the smoother it's going to get. And this is the time, too, when you want to start adding your colors, and you can blend your colors into the surface of the stone. I like using 2 or 3 colors when I do my stones. All right, that's looking pretty good. I like that. All right, now it's time to remove the form. I'll do this gently. You'll have no problems, and if you do, you can always fix it. All right, here I am removing the anchor pin. Got another pin right here I want to remove. All right, just give a little jiggle. It'll loosen right up, and there you go, and you're done. I hope you enjoyed watching this unique way of creating beautiful garden stepping stones. Please like and share with your friends. Subscribe and take care. We'll see you soon.